You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names from German and more pronunciations that are correct, stay tuned. Foreign Minister of the Austrian Empire in history, Metternich, that's your German pronunciation here, or Austrian, Metternich. Now, in English, because the sound doesn't exist, it's either pronounced Metternich, which is probably the best kind of English sounding pronunciation, Metternich, or some say it as Metternich as well. But I think Metternich is a bit closer to the German Metternich, Metternich. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.